How to merge two people in one photo using ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, choose the two photos you want to combine. They can be pictures of two friends, family members, celebrities, or even a photo of yourself with your favorite actor. Next, open ChatGPT. If you're using the free version, you can still generate and edit images, but you'll have a limited number of image generations. If you're using ChatGPT Plus or Pro, you'll get much higher usage limits, allowing you to create and edit many more images. Now, click the plus icon and upload both images one by one. After uploading the photos, simply describe how you want them to be combined. For example, you can type, "Please combine these two people into one realistic image. Make them stand side by side, smiling at the camera, and make it look like they were photographed together naturally." You can also try prompts like, "Make them sit together on a park bench. Show them walking side by side on a city street. Place them on a beautiful beach at sunset. Dress them in wedding outfits. Make them look like they're taking a selfie together." Once you've entered your prompt, ChatGPT will process both images and generate a new merged image in just a few moments. If you want to change the background, pose, facial expressions, clothing, or lighting, simply type another prompt. You can keep refining the image until you're completely satisfied with the result. When you're happy with your final image, click on it and download it to your computer or phone. You can use these AI-generated images in YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, or social media posts. Creative AI images like these often attract more attention and increase engagement. And that's it. That's how you can combine two people from different photos into one realistic image using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.